Hey, it's Marvin. I just want to show you, because I'm here with my cousin Alejandro, you know what I'm talking about? You know who he is, right? Seen him in recent videos, you know what I'm talking about? So, he's right here, you know what I'm talking about?
Hey guys, what's up?
My cousin, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, now, he's gonna go up there, jump from there to here. Here we go.
Okay. Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we're back here. I'm gonna go into the middle of the street. Let's see if I get run over. You know what I'm talking about? Like I always do. Oh my God! Okay. Okay. Oh Jesus. Okay. My cousin's gonna take over for a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Well, Marvin is going where?
I have no idea.
Okay. I hope you don't have to go to the bathroom. Or is your mom gonna give you some papao, if you know what I mean, huh?
What?
Some papao, I said.
Pow my ass.
You're so funny. You take over now.
Well, we're gonna go, baby. I'll see you later, baby cakes. Or do you want to see me get run over by another car? I think you do. Watch this. Okay.
Now,
See ya.
Now, Marvin, you need to stop doing that, okay? Oh.